Making collaboration your competitive edge. Cross-functional collaboration has evolved from a nice-to-have to a strategic imperative. A recent McKinsey analysis found that organizations with high collaboration are 5 times more likely to be high-performing and enjoy 2 to 3 times higher employee engagement. These collaborative organizations bring products to market significantly faster while maintaining higher quality standards. This isn't just consultant rhetoric. It's becoming standard practice. The Project Management Institute reports that 71% of organizations now employ cross-functional teams to improve project outcomes, up from 65% just 2 years ago. In manufacturing specifically, this trend is even more pronounced, with 82% of companies reshaping their organizational structures to support better cross-functional collaboration. Why this surge in cross-functional work? Product complexity is a driving factor. Modern products frequently integrate mechanical components, electronics, embedded software, and cloud connectivity, requiring expertise across multiple disciplines. And as teams adopt Agile Scrum workflows and shorter dev cycles are required, collaboration is key rather than passing it one by one in an old school waterfall style. Despite these benefits, significant barriers remain. Different functional areas often speak different languages, from marketing's customer-focused terminology to engineering's technical specifications to finance's ROI calculations. Cultural differences between departments, misaligned incentives, and physical or virtual separation all contribute to the challenge. Knowledge management as a strategic asset. At the heart of effective collaboration is knowledge management, how organizations capture, share, and leverage information. I just read an incredible study published in the Journal of Computer and Communications that found that knowledge management capabilities have a significant positive effect on innovation performance. The cost of poor knowledge management is substantial. Harvard Business Review analysis indicates that not sharing data across departments can cost companies up to $8,000 per day in inefficiencies. More significantly, knowledge silos lead to duplicated work, missed insights, and slower innovation cycles. Documentation quality directly impacts regulatory compliance and product safety. In the medical device sector, the FDA has increasingly cited documentation failures and warning letters, noting that poor technical documentation can lead to regulatory delays, non-compliance, product recalls, manufacturing inefficiency, and safety risks. Digital platforms have become essential for effective knowledge management. The transition from file sharing systems to comprehensive, living, breathing knowledge platforms enables real-time collaboration, preserves institutional expertise, and creates a single source of truth for product information. According to industry analyst HelpJuice, 82% of companies now recognize knowledge management technology as mission critical, not just as a productivity enhancement.